the state government has given its approval for the establishment of a fresh tender committee tasked with facilitating the transition of the 108 emergency services to a new service provider. Health Minister of Meghalaya Ampareen Lyngdoh has confirmed the decision, highlighting its aim to address previous shortcomings encountered in the tendering process. Following the unsuccessful tender bid for the 108 services last year, Lyngdoh has underscored the importance of avoiding a recurrence of such setbacks. Currently overseen by the National Health Mission, the Minister has indicated that this management arrangement is deemed inadequate for the task at hand. Expressing concerns regarding worker rights, Ampareen Lyngdoh has pointed to recent accidents involving employees, one of whom has been left disabled without access to post-service benefits or insurance. She has reassured that steps are being explored to provide assistance to affected workers and ensure the protection of their rights under a newly established effective management framework.
And we're going to put on board all line and key departments in the tender committee, so that all of these lacunae that resulted post-tender in the last two tenders that were called should not reoccur. We regret that happened. We sincerely regret it, but we should not regret and not take action. So today I have approved the new tender committee, and this time we should do things correctly. You need to sign. We will handhold the project for a specific number of years. That model is yet to be fully developed, and MOUs still need to be signed. So right now we are presuming things. Let the officials actually get a clear picture, and once that picture is clear, then we will be able to share this information with you, so that there is no shoddy information being given to the public. But dialogue is on, determination is there, possibility is very real. So we are looking at all of this.